Hey, this is Nathan from Fredericksburg Hypnosis. When people first sign up for the program, they like to ask the question of what do I expect from my very first appointment? Well, I'll give you a little walkthrough and tour of the building. First of all, located in Dominion Eagle Financial Group building. So it doesn't say Fredericksburg Hypnosis on the outside, but we have an office on the inside. So when you first arrive, you'll meet Tammy.
Hello.
And then I'll come out and meet you here in the lobby, and we'll take you back to the office, give you an idea of what to expect there as well. So right this way. So here we go, Fredericksburg Hypnosis office. So once you arrive, we'll start a conversation. We'll sit down right here at the conference table, begin to talk about what you're expecting throughout the program. Is there something specific that you're looking to work on? Are you here to quit smoking, to lose weight, to build that confidence, to overcome those fears, whatever that may be? We'll begin to build in tools immediately into your life, things that you can do without even people knowing what you're doing. But it's a way of making that impact for you, taking back control of those areas of your life. Again, this program specifically catered to your needs. So we'll start here, and then we'll move over to what I call the most comfortable seat you'll possibly find. And you might also notice this jar right here. These are literally hundreds of people who put down their final pack of cigarettes right here at Fredericksburg Hypnosis. Lives changed. Again, the changes you want to make, it's possible. Once you put your mind to it, once you learn the tools and the techniques that you need in your own life, that's one of the biggest things about all of this. It's a tool that you can use to make those changes, to be that person you want to be. Again, my name is Nathan Gist, FredericksburgHypnosis.com. Find out more information or just give me a call. Let's make a difference. Let's take back control.